So in your 20 years of experience, what sort of like skill sets do you think that roboticists should have?
Well, first of all, there is you need a good background in at least one of the domain-specific topics. There could be computer vision, mechanics, control, planning. So usually that's where you start, right? Then what I always say is, if you're an artist, you need to be good at manipulating your tools, so the colors and so on. So the way that our tools is programming most of the time. Being a good software engineer is something that is the number one skill you need to develop to be able to effectively translate what is in your mind into something that a computer can understand. Being a good software developer is important, but it's always a tool that you use to build something that is more domain specific.
Do you think that it's best if you specialize in robotics into a specific field, or more like a generalist approach where you know a little bit of everything?
Yeah, this is a very personal decision. So I suggest both. What I mean is that if you're really passionate about a specific topic like computer vision,
Yeah.
just you can spend your entire life
Gracias.
become great at that, and that's fine. When people need experts in that field or another one, then there are people like me that, because of my own personality are more or circumstances, they are more curious. So I've been jumping from one topic to the other, and this bring my career in a different direction. So the point is about what you enjoy. What do you enjoy most?
Yeah.
Being a real master in a topic, or being like me, somebody that understand enough of different topics to see how everything fits together into a system. They're both valid strategies. It's just up to you.
Yeah. Would you agree with the statement that robotics in general is more like an integration problem? Like you have to keep integrating parts of systems and glue them together.
Absolutely, absolutely. But what I mean is that what I meant is that this is something you do as a team. So of course, at the level of the team, you need to have this heterogeneous skill set, and probably the tech lead need to be more of a generalist. I would like to shift the focus more on teams or robotic systems instead of individuals that need to
Yeah.
do it all.